All right, hey, what's up guys? It's Roy here. So today I have a product from TAC, and this is one I've been actually really excited to test out. So this is their new Mini Wallet Ultra. So this is gonna set you back 59 bucks. As you can see on the front here, we have a high gloss image of what it looks like, matte black box. On the back here, as you see, it says TAC Mini Wallet Ultra. And the color I have here is the orange color, which is called Nova Orange. Now it also does come in two other colors, which are Onyx Black and Natural Silver. So let's get this bad boy out and let's talk about it. So sliding it open, there is the wallet itself. Pop this out. All right. And here it is. Here is the wallet. So as you can see, the orange coloring is on the side, so it has this like aluminum look here, opening where we're going to put some credit cards and stuff like that, which we'll show you here in just a sec. But it looks really good. It looks really, really good. This flex band is really nice too. So it's a added thing here that will allow us to put some additional cards or some cash in there if you wanted to. And also what's really cool about this is it does have RFID technology, which is going to protect your cards and identity and all that good stuff as well. Now, also holding it in the hand, it's ultra slim, so it's just under 10 millimeters thin. So it gives a really nice thin, sleek profile, but also just kind of maintaining the wallet function. Now on the back here, obviously we have some great MagSafe strength magnets here, but we also are getting a premium microfiber back here as well. So it just kind of makes it feel a little more premium, feels good right here as well. And also I appreciate that it has this type of material since it's going to be going up against my phone. Now granted, in this video I just have the phone itself, but if I had a case, you know, I still want it to protect my phone or my case. But even whenever I am just holding this maybe in my pocket as just a wallet that I would use, I like this premium microfiber just because I wouldn't want it to be all aluminum because it will scratch and all that. So I appreciate that it's just the sides here, which is really nice. So now let's go ahead and add some stuff here and let's show you how I would use it. Okay, so now that I have what I would maybe carry inside of it, you can kind of see the functionality of this. So number one is right here, sandwiched in there are gonna be credit cards, driver's license, whatever it is. And down here at the bottom, you can sling it out and they pop up and you can see how many cards. Now this so far in my testing, it's a max of 4 cards that I was able to fit in here. If I tried to squeeze a 5th one in, it just wouldn't work. And honestly, it was really hard to pull this down to get them out. So 4 is a comfortable amount of cards and you just can pull them out and then you just can pop them right back in. Boom, and there you go. And one thing I will point out is this lip that goes around, you don't fill the cards. So all you're filling is just the top of the actual wallet and not the cards. But like I said, once you pull it up, boom, there you go. Now in the front, you can put a couple of different cards. I can easily fit probably 2 or 3 more. And this is my old school ID back in college. And then I even put some cash in here as well. So I'll just put a couple of 20s in here and it works flawlessly. So no issues at all. But it very much reminds me of like a wallet I would carry in my pocket. You know, so I've done a lot of different videos on Exter wallets and like a Ridge wallet kind of thing. And this would definitely replace that. I think it looks really cool and feels good. And just to show you, now this is what I was really impressed with, is how strong the magnets actually are. Like I'm actually pushing pretty good and it's barely got some play at the bottom. So they've done a really good job on that magnet strength with MagSafe. And as you can see on my 17 Pro here, it fills up the back pretty nicely, but it doesn't go over the edges, doesn't go over the bottom, and just lines up perfectly with the camera plateau. And you can kind of see that's the way it looks there. And I wanted the orange one because I just think it stands out. It's different looking and I think it looks kind of cool with the deep blue color. It would have been kind of cool if they made a deep blue version, but the Onyx Black and their silver color is fine too. But yeah, that's the way it looks installed. And as I'm holding it, it feels fine. You know, even if I had a case on, I like the slim profile. I like that it's flat. I like the rounded corners as well, so it doesn't feel like you're, getting daggered in your fingers there if you're holding it. So even if I was holding it like this, it's nice and smooth, matching the rounded edges on the iPhone. So all in all, guys, if you're looking for a really nice wallet that actually can go on your phone, and it can be any phone. It doesn't just have to be an iPhone that has built-in MagSafe. It can be an Android device. It could be any type of device that has a MagSafe case. It's going to work perfectly fine. Or if you're daring and you don't use a case, then there you go. But you can pair it up very nicely with any of the TAC cases as well, and you're going to get a super slim experience with a slim wallet case as well here. So all in all, guys, I think that this Mini Wallet Ultra is sick. I love the colors. I love the way it feels. I love the flex band. There's just a lot of stuff to like about this. And like I said, knowing that my cards inside here are protected with the RFID technology is awesome. If you are interested in scooping this up, go to buyattack.com/Roy Flores. Use my promo code Roy10 and enjoy. And honestly, you can use that promo code for anything on TAC's website. So hit that like button if you liked the video. If you loved it, please subscribe. Ring that notification bell for up-to-date content. So be safe. God bless. I'll see you on the next one.